In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks, Mr. Smith, not in Washington. In Albuquerque, I'm Dr. John Konopak, and this is For the Sake of Argument. Professor Neil deGrasse Tyson appeared on Bill Moyer's PBS program last week, and as usual was a rational and erudite advocate for the sciences. This year, he will appear in the reboot of the most successful science show in the history of TV, Carl Sagan's Cosmos. Professor Tyson is a shining light of reason and rationality in a discussion which is mostly full of obscurantism, denial, fabulism, and really, really muddy thought. Actually, arguing with fundies about anything is about almost exactly the equivalent activity to playing Scrabble with baboons. It's pointless, fruitless, useless, and annoying because they have no idea of what the hell's going on. Of course, creationism doesn't belong in a science classroom. That's obvious. As Tyson says, there are two different universes of discourse. And equally obviously, though Tyson strategically refrains from saying so baldly, the discourse of faith in the reputed sayings of imaginary beings or invisible friends is equally incompatible with issues of law and justice in the social sphere. Neither Christians, nor Jews, nor Jains, nor Jehovah's Witnesses have any standing to impose their spiritual fantasies upon the body politic. Unfortunately, I fear, no one with the reputation or credentials of a Professor Tyson who can claim the lectern in the social sphere the way Tyson does for the scientific one. Usurping the Bible and God's Word to impose sectarian superstitions on the civis, the polis, is every bit as specious and spurious as doing so in the classrooms of a public school. But there seem to be no figures of Tyson's repute or stature in the sciences to intervene in the broad arena and expel the drooling, fabulous fantasists and their holy claptrap from the positions of influence they increasingly and destructively occupy in our public policy debates. And it's a telling absence. For the sake of argument, I'm Dr. John Konopak. Now, back to Win Stone in the studio. Pause.